Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another restoration. Today we're going to be working on this little Stanley Sweetheart bench vise. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well look at this little stunner, huh? This is the Stanley Sweetheart bench vise that I got off of a good buddy of mine, Petey Pablo. I am honored to have this, and this is going to be a fun little restoration. I can't wait to tear right into it. Let's do this. Well, I guess that's a little shim for it. Not quite sure. I've never seen anything like that before. So that's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Alright, well that's all taken apart. See what it's going to take to get this off here. I don't see. Wonder if that's just compression holding it on there. Let's figure out what this little pin does here. A little tiny hole right here. Huh. Alright, hammer the damn thing straight down into it. Kind of interesting. Let me take it off the side of the table. Okay, there's that little tiny, I mean little tiny pin. Look at that thing. crazy. Not quite sure what that does, to be honest with you. Ah, so let's figure this out real quick. So that locked in there, that locked in there, something like that, right? And then this was like that. Yeah, I reckon it was something like that. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of a cool design right here, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So there's two little pieces. So it'll slide straight up. Is that showing? Yeah. So this will slide straight up. And then those two pieces, I know my hands are big and they're in the way. These two pieces come apart. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. Well, that is all broken down as well. So everything is broken down. The slide, dynamic jaw, it's all broke down. Acme screw's in good shape. It's not bent. It's rusty and dirty, but that's all cool. We can take care of that. The body's in great shape. I'm surprised that pin came out as easily as it did. Quite happy with that as well. What kind of threw me through a loop was this little shim here. I don't know if this is original or not. I would assume no. But hey, it was in there and it's going to go back in there. So yeah, that's that. That is that. I'm going to throw this stuff on the wire wheel and then we will throw it in the evaporous bath. Alright, we're going to throw all these parts into the bath. Hopefully I have enough of this stuff to cover all of it. And if not, I'll have to just put it on an angle. This is used Evapo-Rust. And of course, never have enough. All right. There that is. We're going to let that sit there overnight and we will pick this video up tomorrow. Alrighty. Well, it's been a full 24 hours. It's Get this stuff out of the evaporist and see how it looks. Not bad. I threw a couple of extra things in there just because I wanted to clean them up while I was doing this. So get your re-rain. Sorry, you don't need to see me pulling stuff out of the juice. Like I said, I was just putting some extra stuff in there to clean it up, so. Let me get rid of this evaporust. I will put it into its original container, get this stuff wiped down, and we'll start wire wheeling. So give me a minute. Alright guys, well, we got all of our little parts soaking in oil. These have been soaking in there for probably 4 hours now. They're nice and coated. They won't rust back up. Got everything cleaned up that we wanted clean. I sprayed the whole thing down with a nice coat of lacquer. This is just going to go on the wall. And yeah, I already put the nut back in there. I do need to get the pin put back in place, so let's do that right quick. Alright, nut is in place. Let's get the screw How's that gonna go? Oh, that's right. This is I believe it went like, it's a pretty cool design, but it's a pain in the butt to get it all put back in. Was it that way? Or was it the other way? I think it was the other way. I think these tabs were like that, to be honest with you. And the pin is what held it in place. Yeah. All right. Okay, that's all put in there. Definitely want to put a little drizzle of oil on the screw. Let me pop this back out again. I forgot this little tab here. Like I said yesterday, I don't know why that little tab was in there, other than looks like there wasn't enough room, or there was too much play in it. Okay, now we can put the pin back in. Now we can. All right. Slide. Alrighty. See if that shows up. Stanley Sweetheart. I am totally stoked to own this. I love this little vise. Shout out to Petey Pablo for hooking me up with this little stunner right here. This thing is a beauty, and I'm quite happy with it. We cleaned the whole thing down, soaked it in the Vaporust 24 hours. I used a 1x30 to clean the jaws up and the little anvil, Dremel, some hand sanding, a little bit of filing, nothing major. But yeah, that's it. It's done. I'm quite happy with it. God, this thing is nice. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with this one. This is the Stanley Sweetheart little bench vise. This thing came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye. There it is.